Hi everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel. I have some Christmas cards I wanted to share with you all that I've been working on. I bought an Anna Griffin Christmas card kit, and let me tell you guys, it is totally worth the money. I mean, the amount of time and effort that it has saved me, and look at how gorgeous they came out. And I did very little die cutting. I've done some stickling. But Anna Griffin puts the best kits together for you. And so let me share with you some cards a little bit closer. And I love these red bows. I didn't put them on all of them because some of them are going to be mailed and they needed to be super flat. But look at this gorgeous charm. This came from Lady Cree's store, which is Miss Fun Creations. Hi, sweetie. I'm going to leave the link down below to her store so you can check out her charms. And I do need to get more. And here's another one. I love this bell too. Isn't that cute? I love it. And here's another one. This is also from her store. And this one too. With this tree here. Isn't that cute? And this is the only interactive card that I made. And let me show you on the inside. And I was totally inspired by, not sure if it was crafting, I'm sorry, not crafting, Stamping with Amore or Tanu Creative. I'm sorry, I forgot who it was, but it was one of those ladies, not my idea. But all I did was I took a 12-inch piece of paper, and you can make it whatever height you want, folded it in half, and then folded the ends to the halfway point so it's a W. And then I just glued, well, I didn't glue it yet because I need to write my sentiment. And I made a 1-inch hinge. I scored that in half, and I just glued it to the side there. I could have just glued this whole piece to the end, but I kind of wanted it to pop up. And then I added some seam binding so I can tie it all together. And these embellishments are also Anna Griffin or what do you call, Recollections. And I used my Martha Stewart punch to add some little pockets for gift cards. And that's it. So I do have some shabby chic Christmas cards I've been working on too, and some gift cards. So I'm going to do that in my next video. And I thank you all so much for sticking with me and supporting me. I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos, but I hope you continue to stay with me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. I thank you all for watching. Bye for now.